Hey everyone. Today we're going to talk about a problem that, let's be honest, drives us all a little crazy: digital clutter. We're going to check out this all-in-one toolkit called Lab that claims it can be the one-stop shop for pretty much all your online needs. So, could this finally be the end of that messy, overflowing bookmark bar? Let's find out.
I mean, really think about it. How many single-purpose websites do you have bookmarked right now? You've got one for resizing an image, another one for counting words, maybe a third for whipping up a QR code. Before you know it, it's a total digital mess that we just seem to collect, one little task at a time.
And that is the daily digital grind, right? You need to convert one little file, and suddenly you're swimming in a sea of sketchy websites. You start asking yourself, is this thing safe? Are they going to steal my data? You end up with this ridiculously long list of bookmarks you use maybe once a year, and it's just a huge waste of time that adds stress you really don't need.
But what if you could just stop the juggling act? What if you could put an end to that constant searching? Well, the idea behind the platform we're looking at today is so simple, but it's incredibly powerful. Build everything you need in one single place. And here it is. The solution is Lab. It's built from the ground up to be a digital creator's best friend. Think of it as this secure, effortless hub that has a massive collection of free browser-based tools, from file conversions to little productivity helpers and, yep, even games. It's all right there in one spot. So what's actually packed inside this digital toolbox? Well, it's a pretty impressive lineup. Let's take a quick tour and just see how it's all organized to make your life a whole lot easier. First up, the absolute essentials for any writer, student, or professional. You ever wonder if that email you're writing is getting a little long? The word counter's got your back. Need to fix a message you accidentally typed in all caps? The case converter is your best friend. It even has a secure password generator and a super simple online notepad for those ideas that just pop into your head. Now, for all you folks who dabble in code or live and breathe it every day, Lab is an absolute treasure trove. It is packed with utilities that let you clean up messy code, test out complex expressions without, breaking anything, and handle all those encoding tasks with zero fuss. It is literally like having a developer's Swiss Army knife right in your browser. Okay, let's talk about something we all do: mess around with files. I mean, how many times have you struggled to convert an image from a PNG to a JPEG, or just quickly resize a photo so you can post it online? Lab makes it dead simple, with really powerful tools for your images, your PDFs, and even your audio files. And listen, it's not just for those super specialized tasks. Lab also nails the everyday conversions that can be a real headache. You need to convert measurements for a recipe? Check. You want to know the latest currency rates before buying something online? Done. Trying to schedule a meeting with someone halfway across the world? It's all right there. Look, having a huge collection of tools is great, but that's really only half the story. What makes Lab stand out, what makes it special, is its philosophy. So let's dive into the core principles that make it a better, and frankly, a safer choice. It all comes down to two principles that are more important today than ever before. First, speed. Lab is designed to be lightning fast, so you're not just sitting there watching a progress bar crawl across the screen. And second, and this is the big one, privacy. This quote really gets to the heart of their privacy promise. So what does client-side processing actually mean? It's simple. It means all the work happens right there, in your browser, on your computer. Your sensitive files never get uploaded to some random server somewhere. And they make it crystal clear: we don't store your data. In today's world, that is a massive, massive plus. But hey, it's not all work and no play. The creators of Lab clearly believe in the power of a good break, because they've tucked in a fun little surprise for when you just need to step away from a task for a minute. That's right, it's a mini arcade. You'll find a whole collection of fun, simple HTML5 games built right into the site. It's perfect for a quick mental reset between tasks, and you don't even have to open another tab. So, when you boil it all down, the entire idea, the whole value of this thing comes back to this one powerful concept: a single, trusted, and secure place for all those little digital tasks you have to do every single day. Okay, as we wrap this up, here are the key things to remember. Number one, Lab is your all-in-one toolbox, saving you from that endless, frustrating search. Two, it's built to be fast, so you can get things done without waiting around. 3, it puts your privacy first by keeping your data on your device. And finally, all of this is completely free to use. So I'll just leave you with this question: how much more could you actually accomplish if you had the right tool at your fingertips every single time without having to even think about it? Just imagine the time and the mental energy you'd save. What could you create with all that extra bandwidth?